Oh, hello YouTube, Mr. Yugioh 5 here. I got 2 blisters, but I decided to take them out of the cardboard since it's annoying. Generation Force and Photon Shockwave. So let's get started. I'm gonna open the Generation Force, and my brother's gonna open the Photon Shockwave. Gusto Commodore, I don't know, Crashbug Y, Asleep at the Switch, Sambel the Summoner, no hollow. Sky Stray, yeah. Oh crap! Vision Hero, it's a secret too. Vision Hero, Adoration. I don't know if that's worth something, but it's a hollow, so. All sell and trade, Crashbug Road, Gravelstone, and Double or Nothing. So hollow in 1 pack. It's pretty good. So yeah, they're all for sell and trade. Okay, so Ego Boost, Damage Diet, Stinging Swordsman, Space Cyclone, Mummer of the Forest, Monster Slots, Naturia Maroon, Fiery River, Vanilla. So that's all, not much, I know, but we did get good pulls. 2 rares, 1 secret, all for sell and trade. So yeah, just PM me if you want any. Mr. Yugi 805, signing out.